Teruskan lagi. I continue with our last topic, vector and geometry space 2. Okay, slides 14 lah. So the last one, okay. So remember from the last slide we learn on the dot product, cross product, okay, and also the unit vector. So in this class, I would like to share with you the slides, okay. Right. So, okay, apa yang kita akan belajar ini? Equations of lines and planes. So, ni pun adalah kita panggil tu one of the applications of the vectors in geometric space. Okay. So, students, let n is equals to ai plus bj be a non-zero vector and p naught is equals to x naught y naught be a point in the x y plane. Maksudnya p naught yang asal ni, there is a unique line through P naught that is perpendicular ataupun serenjang ataupun 90 degrees to N. And N is called a normal to the line. So the equation of the line is called, okay, A x minus x naught plus B y minus y naught equals to 0. So ni N, okay, so this is line P. So what is the equation of the line? A, okay, A x minus x naught plus B y minus y naught is equals to 0. So that is the equation of the line. Okay, so example 1, find an equation of the line that passes through 2 and -7 and perpendicular to the vector and 4i plus 3j. So now just substitute the equation of the line like the slides before. Ax minus x naught plus b y minus y naught is equal to 0. Masuk je 4x minus 2 plus 3y minus -7 plus 3y minus -7 equals to 0. So you dapat semua ni, you get 4x plus 3y plus 13. So remember student, okay, this is the equation of the line. Things that you should understand in this case or in this topic is what is the P point and what is the perpendicular to the vector n. What is the n? Okay, so when you guys know that what is the two element or terms, okay, you can answer the equation or solve the equation straight away. Okay, so suppose L is a line in space that passes through a given point P1, x1, y1, z1 and is parallel to a given non-zero vector V is equals to AI plus BJ plus CK. So line L, V is equals to AI plus BJ plus CK, P x1, y1, z1, okay. L is represented by the parametric equations, all right. X is equals to x1 plus TA, y is equals to y1 plus TB, z is equals to z1 plus TC. So tengok ni, L is represented by parametric equation. So you guys need to understand what is parametric equation. So parametric equation is this one. Hence the vector equation of L is xyz, where x1 plus TA, okay, y1 plus TB and z1 plus TC here. Okay, so this is a vector equation and this is the parametric equation. So parameter T gives the position vector V of a point on line N. Okay. Example 2. Mind my not so beautiful handwriting here because I need to write it macam tu. So it's okay as long as you can understand it. So that's fine. So find a vector saya pun pula jadi besar. Okay. Find the vector equation and parametric equations for the line that passes through the point 5, 1, 3 and parallel to the vector I plus 4j minus 2k. Then find other 2 points on the line. So vector EQ, RT is equals to T plus 5, 4T plus 1 negative 2T plus 3. Parametric equation, okay. X equals to T plus 5, Y 4T plus 1, Z is equals to 2T plus 3. Okay. Oh, salah ni. Betul. Negative 2t plus 3 je. Okay, saya tinggal negatif kat sini. Okay, student, nanti awak letak negatif kat sini. So now, find other points, 2 points on the line. So this is easy. Just find or choose 2 values of the t, different than t equals to 0. Whether you want to take t is equals to 3, 4, that's fine. Okay. So in this case, I took t is equals to 1 and t is equals to 2. Just put it inside the equation here. So you get 6, okay, 1 tambah 5, 6, 4 times 1 plus 1, 5. Negative 2 times 1 plus 3 is 1. Okay, macam tu juga 2. You just substitute t equals to 2 and you got the final answer. Okay, so find the parametric equations of the line that pass through the points 1, 2, negative 3 and parallel to the vector v is equals to 4, 5, negative 7. So apa ni, n is equals to 4, 5, negative 7 lah. So parallel vector, parametric equations is equals to x is equals to 1 plus 4t, y is equals to 2 plus 5t. Macam mana saya buat ni? Macam ni lah student. 1 plus 4t, 2 plus 5t. Z is equals to negative 3, negative 7t. Okay, remember student, you mesti tahu, you must understand the terms, what is parametric equation, okay, and then what is n, okay, then you can find the answer. Okay, n is represented by the parametric equations, which is this one. Okay, if the direction numbers a, b and c are all non-zero, then we can eliminate the parameter t to obtain the symmetric equations of a line, which is x minus x1 is over a is equals to y minus y1 over b is equals to z minus z1 over c. Okay, so in this example, find the symmetric equations for example 2b here. 2b, find the symmetric equation. Okay. Okay, since the symmetric equation, you just put all the numbers. Okay, can I ask you students to complete the example 3? Okay, you can anytime take picture of your answer and show it to me, as I can tell you whether your answer is correct or wrong. Okay, so now example 4. Find the parametric equation for line L passing through points P1, 2, 4, negative 1 and P2, 5, 0, 7. Where does the line intersect at the XY plane? So first of all, we need to find P1, P2. How to find P1, P2? Kita dah belajar in slide 13. Okay, slide 13 before. How to find P1, P2. So now, P1, P2 is find, cara dia is by 5 minus 2, 0 minus 4 and 7 minus 1. Okay, ataupun 7 minus negative 1, 7 minus negative 1. And you'll get 3, negative 4 and 8. Okay, so this one is P1, P2. Okay, so the parametric equation for this is x equals to 2 here plus 3t. Okay, y is equals to 4 minus 4t, z is equals to negative 1 minus 8t. Okay, so now where does the line intersect at the xy plane? Okay, the line intersect at the xy plane where z is equals to 0. So in this case, xy plane means intersect occur at a, b, kosong. If the question to ask you, where does the line intersect the YZ plane? So YZ plane x is equals to 0, which means XZ plane intersect occur at 0, B, C. Okay, sebab kita nak YZ plane. Okay. Okay, YZ plane 0, B, C. Kalau XZ plane A, 0, C. Okay, when dia dah boleh cari 0 tu, kita boleh cari find the T. Alright, how to find the T? Kita ambil daripada parametric equation ni. Okay, Z is equals to negative 1 plus 8T. So now kita tahu Z is equals to 0. We know that Z is equals to 0. Okay, Z is equals to 0. Alright, so 0 is equals to negative 1 plus 8t. So 8t is equals to 1. So t is actually is equals to 1 over 8. Okay, so now we can find lah what is A and B. After we get t is equals to 1 over 8, just substitute it into this equation, x and y, and you will get A is equals to 19 over 8 and B is equals to 7 over 2. So intercept at xy plane is 19 over 8 and 7 over 2. Okay, so now find the parametric equations and symmetric equations for line L passing through points P1, 2, 4, negative 3 and P2, 3, negative 1, 1. At what point does this line intersect in the xy plane? Okay, so I write it here, students to complete, because I already shown you in A, and then please try to do it and please find the answer the same as my answer, which is 11 over 4 and 1 over 4. Okay, A the 11 over 4 and B the 1 over 4. So a plane in 3D space can be determined by specifying at point P1, x1, y1, z1 on the plane and a vector perpendicular to the plane n, normal vector n is equals to ai plus bj plus ck. So A x minus x1 plus B y minus y1 plus C z minus z1 is equal to 0. Okay, how to do this? Right. Example 5. The normal n to a plane is given by n is equals to 2i plus 2j plus 3k. Find the equation of the plane if the point P450 lies on the plane. Okay, so now we have ni lah persamaan yang sebelah ni. Okay. Okay, so now how to find the equation of the plane? Just substitute it. So for example, in this case, A is 2, x minus 4 plus 2, y minus 5 plus 3, z minus 0. So you can buka all the equation, open it, expand it, and you'll get 2x plus 2y plus 3z minus 18 is equals to 0. Very easy kan student? Saya dah kata dah very easy. Just follow step by step and understand the terms, then easy for you. Okay, now find an equation of the plane passing through the point 3, negative 1, 7 and perpendicular to the vector n is equals to 4, 2, negative 5. Okay, macam ni lah. You will get this one. This is straight to the point. And then, but this is not the answer kan? This is not the final answer. So you need to expand this formula or this equation, sorry, you need to expand this equation and then you give me the answer. Okay, so now I want to show you, find the equation of the plane that passes through the 3 points. Okay, so now I will show you the second one, the Q1, 1, 2, negative 1. Okay, this one you need to answer it yourself. Okay, so this is the step by step. First, you find the vector P1, P2 and P1, P3. And then you find the cross product of P1, P2 and P1, P3 because this is normal to plane. And then you find one point, normal for the equation, and use this one. And you get the equation of the plane. Okay? So the first one, okay? The first step, okay? Find Q1, Q2, which is 1, 2, negative 1 and 2, 3, 1. So what you need to do is 2 minus 1, 1, 3 minus 2, 1, and 1 minus negative 1, 2. Okay, so Q1 and Q3, okay, Q1 and Q3, 3 minus 1, 2, negative 1 minus 2, negative 3, 2 minus negative 1, 3. So you get 2, negative 3, 3. So now, second steps is to find Q1, Q2 cross product with Q1, Q3, which is equals to 1, 1, 2, 2, negative 3, 3. So 1, 2, negative 3, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3. Remember to find apa ni student? The determinant. Okay, matrices, you still remember that? Find the determinant of this vector and you get 9i minus negative 1j plus dengan negative 5k. So you'll get 9i plus j minus 5k or 9, 1, negative 5. Ni vektor lah, maksud ni vektor kan? So that is the answer. Alright? So now Q1 and Q3, ni I tulis lah, is this one is normal to the plane. Now the third step is a point normal form for the equation of a plane is Q1 lies in the plane. So what you need to do is AX minus X naught, BY minus Y naught plus Z minus Z naught is equal to 0. So the one that you got your answer before is actually N lah. Normal to the plane, your N. So now you have your N. So you have your point which is Q1. So just substitute it N and also Q1, you get 9x minus 1 plus 1, y plus 2 minus, alamak, kita tinggal kurungan, you will put kurungan 5z plus 1. So you expand it, you'll get 9x plus y minus 5z minus 16 is equal to 0. So, student to complete C1, which is actually this one. Okay, you try to complete this one and then you share the answer with me whether you do it correct or wrong. I will have a look on this. Okay, so I guess that's all. That's all for apa nama ni, for the vector, apa tajuk dia, vector and geometry space 2. Okay, I'm glad that we have completed our syllabus. Alright, so for this apa ni topic, last topic 6, I will share with you the assignment. Alright, assignment 6. Probably tomorrow I will share with you, and then I will open with you for submission, and you can submit it by next week. Okay, by next week before we have test 3 and test 4. Okay, so I will leave you with this lecture for now. Okay, if you have any question, please feel free to ask me, whether using apa ni, WhatsApp ke. I think WhatsApp is enough. Okay, if you don't understand, just can I have a video call with you? I want to ask you something. Okay, can, I will assist you as as possible lah, as I can. Okay, but if you just sit down and keep quiet, I don't know what your problem is, so I can't help you. So you need to help yourself first. Okay, so that's all for today. I enjoy teaching in this class. Okay, whether it is asynchronous or synchronous. I'm sorry that I have to do a synchronous class because it is easier for you guys to access it, whether during night where the internet is faster than the day. Okay, and also whether you have small data. Okay, so you can access it anytime, whenever you have the data. If we do a synchronous class, okay lah, I have to admit, or we have to admit that you will use, the usage of the data is very large. Okay, not everyone has the apa ni dipanggil ni luxury of having a large data. Okay, so I hope that I can ni lah apa, puaskan hati semua. And for that, I'm sorry if I have do anything wrong, and that's all for me today. Thank you and bye-bye and Assalamualaikum.